I had to make some adjustments on the timing. Most of the things on this thing is very lax. It doesn't require it to be too exact, but timing I've found to be that it is a problem, and if you don't have it set right, you're going to have trouble. When I was running it slow, I could hear the exhaust wasn't working right. So I made a new cam set, and I put the exhaust 10 degrees behind the completion of the inlet air. So it doesn't open the exhaust as quick now, and it seems to run much better. I like that much better. It sounds better, and it seems to run smoother too. Although I still have a little vibration, but I've only got just with a clamp, so it'll be okay when it's mounted.